Hi, my name is Rennie Mollett. Welcome to my channel. I am a mixed media artist who loves to play around with different mediums and techniques, especially if there's an opportunity to repurpose or recycle things. On my channel, I'll be sharing videos about my process and experience working with these different techniques and mediums. I've been creating art for over 25 years, and I've also been teaching yoga for over a decade. I love how the yoga practices have helped me so much get into that creative flow. If this is of interest to you, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and join me on my creative journey. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Hope to see you soon.